He is an Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward and captains both La Liga club Barcelona and the Argentina national team. He grew up in the Argentina with his parents. He married Antonella in 2017. Since 2008, he has been in relationship with Antonella, a fellow native of Rosario. His spouse was born Argentina's third largest city, just like Lionel Messi. His brother Matias is the older brother of Argentina professional footballer Messi. He has made headline in the past for being arrested several times. Sister Maria is the youngest sister of Leo Messi and the brand manager for the Messi store. Mother Celia. His mother was a worker in magnet manufacturing workshop when young Messi made his first steps in football. His father George Messi. His sister Maria was born on November 30, 1993. He and Antonella have sons named Matteo, Thiago, and Ciro. His father was a steel factory manager. On his father's side, he is of Italian and Spanish descent. He has two brothers, Rodrigo and Matias. On 10th March 2018, Messi skipped the match against the Malaga after Ciro was born. He has an estimated net worth of $400 million. He was born on 24th June 1987 in the Rosario. The third of four children of George and Celia. On his mother's side, he has primarily Italian ancestry. Growing up in the tight-knit, football-loving family, Leo developed a passion for the sport from an early age. He playing constantly with his brothers and cousins, both of whom become professional footballers. At the age of 4, he joined local club Grandoli, where he was coached by his father. A lifelong supporter of Newell's Old Boy, he joined the Rosario club when he was 6 years old. During the 2003 and 4 season, his fourth with the Barcelona, he rapidly progressed through the club ranks, debuting for the record 5 teams in a single campaign. Since leaving for Spain at age 13, he has maintained close ties to his hometown. Throughout his career, he has been involved in the charitable efforts. since 2004. He has contributed his time and finances to the UN Children's Fund. He has served as a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador since his appointment in March 2010. He has since participated in the UNICEF campaigns targeting HIV prevention, education, and the social inclusion of disabled children. In addition to his work with UNICEF, he founded his own charitable organization, the Leo Messi Foundation. Often considered the best player in the world and widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time, he has won record 6 Ballon Awards. He has also invested in youth football in Argentina. He won a record 6 European Golden Shoes. He has spent his entire professional career with Barcelona. Prolific goal scorer and creative playmaker, he holds the record for the most goals in La Liga. He has scored over 700 senior career goals for the club and country. Born and raised in central Argentina, he relocated to Spain to join Barcelona at age 13. After announcing his international retirement in 2016, he reversed his decision and led his country to qualification for the 2018 FIFA World Cup. One of the most famous athletes in the world, he has been sponsored by the sportswear company Adidas since 2006. According to France Football, he was the world's highest paid footballer for the 5 years out of 6 between 2009 and 2014. He was ranked the world's highest paid athlete by Forbes in 2019. He was among Time's 100 most influential people in the world in 2011 and 2012.